Okay, we have another question here. It says, due to increased electricity tariffs, you're encouraged to expand your firm. So you contemplate purchasing a more efficient electricity generator that will cost you 300,000 and has a useful life of 5 years. The machine will yield year-end cost reductions of 50,000 in year 1, 60,000 in year 2, 75,000 in year 3, 90,000 in year 4 and 5. What is the present value of the cost savings of the machine if the interest rate is 8%? So here, net present value technique means these cost saving reductions, we have to convert them into today's value. All right. Remember, to get the present value equals future value times 1 plus the discount rate. Okay. The discount rate, this is the rate we're going to use to convert these into present values. And we've been given it's the interest rate of 8% to the power negative t. Okay. So we start year 0, the first day of year 1, we purchase this machine, negative 300,000. Our discount rate, right? Since it's 1 plus 8, the interest rate is 8%, so it's 0.08. Okay, that's how we've got this 1.08. Okay, we've just added this 1 plus 0.08, so get this 1.08. So in year 0, you raise it to the power negative 0, that is 1. To get your present value, you just multiply the cash flow and the discount factor. So you're going to say negative 300,000 times 1, you get negative 300,000. In year 1, the cost reduction is 50,000. So we say 1.08 to the power negative 1, that is 0.926. So say 50,000 times 0.926, 46,300. 1.08 to the power negative 1. You know how to put it on your calculator, right? You do it like this. You say 1.08. Then there's that car sign like this, a car house like this. Then you put a negative 1. I think it will give you an option to put in brackets. Year 2, cost reduction 60,000. So you say 1.08 to the power negative 2, 0.857. You multiply these two, gives you 51,420. Year 3, 25,000. We're going to raise 1.08 to the power negative 3. You get 0.794. When you multiply 75,000 times 0.794, you get 59,550. Year 4, 90,000. Raise it to the power negative 4, 0.735. 90,000 times 0.735, 66,150. Then in year 5 again, it's another 90,000. You say 1.08 to the power negative 5, 0.681. Multiply 90,000 by 0.681, you get 61,200. 290. So with the net present value technique, after you calculate your present values, you need to add them up. Okay, negative 300,000 plus 46,300 plus 51,420 plus 59,550 plus 66,150 plus 61,290. Okay, we add all of them. Okay, add all these values here. When we add all the values, we get negative 15,290. Okay, once you add all these values, you get negative 15,290. So according to the net present value technique, if your net present value is negative, you need to reject the project, okay, because that signifies a loss. If your net present value is positive, then you accept the project. That represents profit. Any questions, madam?